Okay, we went through this in class today, and this is how you would approach uploading your assignment as a URL or from your Google Drive. First, you need to find the assignment. So I'm going to click on assignment, seeing that it is the only one we have so far for module 1. You would click on submit assignment. Taking the Google Drive approach, you would go here. Let's say there are 2 Google Drives, so this one is not available. So I would go ahead and try the other one. The second one is available, so I want to go select file. It will take me to my Google Drive. It takes a second to load. This is the assignment that we would have typed. I would have typed in class today. So I'm going to look for that assignment. I'm going to select it. Then I'll click add, attach. And once it attaches, I can click submit. Okay, now submitting the assignment as a website URL. This is what we went through today as well. So you would go to your drive, your Google Drive that is. Here is the assignment that we typed in class today. So I would want to right click on that assignment. I would click get shareable link, get shareable link. When I click on that, I want to make sure that my link is not restricted. Make sure your link is not restricted. So I would go ahead and select anyone with the link. And once I do that, it means that person is able to view what I would have put on that Google slide. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that link. And it says link copied. I'm going to go back to Canvas. And I'm going to click website URL. I am going to paste it there, and then I click submit. And that, I hope that helps.